XRP Ripple CEO reveals when XRP will reach $1,000. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that now is a crucial moment for the US to establish itself as a leader in the booming crypto business, and gave bullish predictions about the price of XRP in near future. He shared his thoughts regarding the future of cryptocurrency and XRP in a recent conversation with Collision. He also talked about the ongoing lawsuit with the SEC, and shared his frustration towards the lack of clear crypto regulatory guidelines in the US. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the fact that XRP's CEO revealed when the price of XRP is likely to reach $1,000. Moreover, we will talk about the latest updates regarding the ongoing SEC versus Ripple lawsuit and what Brad Garlinghouse had to say about the case. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Let's just begin with what Brad Garlinghouse thinks about the lack of regulatory clarity. This will help you get an idea of the shifts and trends of the price of XRP. Now, the lawsuit was filed back in December 2020, but there are no signs of it ending soon. Both the parties to the case are bringing something up every day, and the lawsuit is being dragged. We are gaining everything that isn't even needed but regulatory clarity from this lawsuit. To be honest, at this point we feel like the SEC concocted this lawsuit just to ruin Ripple's reputation and business. As per Brad Garlinghouse, the absence of clarity from US regulators for cryptographic forms of money is extremely disappointing, particularly when compared with different nations that he feels have given a far superior knowledge into the business. Regulatory clarity is the essence of this lawsuit. Investors and crypto fans are patiently waiting for this lawsuit to come to an end and provide some sort of regulatory clarity. It is believed that it might also provide a framework to the rest of the cryptocurrencies to follow in the future. Brad's thoughts on the regulations for Ripple and the future of the crypto industry are quite interesting. He says that the laws framed by the SEC are wrong. The lawsuit filed against Ripple is even wrong, and soon we would experience a ripple effect for this lawsuit. The SEC would soon realize their mistake, and they need a bunch of clarity for their set of rules and regulations. It seems they have randomly mentioned the rules for digital assets which are inaccurate. He also said that charging of lawsuits is an attack on the entire crypto industry. On the bright side, he revealed one thing he likes about the current crypto legislation that was introduced in the last sessions of the Congress. It was called DCEA, which is the Digital Commodity Exchange Act of 2020. This basically gives a constructive mechanism for the rules and regulations for the upcoming digital assets in the financial world. Brad said that with the launch of this act now for fabricating any such policies and rules, every institute needs to undergo a specific format. They need to be approved by the upper bodies and then form the final rules and regulations for any of the assets. The SEC followed no such rules, while other countries are doing a lot to provide a regulatory framework to cryptocurrencies, which is why they are lagging with rules for cryptocurrencies like XRP. Even after a profound analysis by the SEC for 2 years, they don't have any supporting evidence to support the case against XRP and Ripple Labs. Therefore, they are dragging the case for no apparent reason, with the sole purpose of laying a hard rock bed for Ripple and its native coin XRP. Garlinghouse hopes that this last decision by the legislation is helpful to frame clarity for such technologies that are super handy for the new financial world. The US, on the other hand, is brutally pushing the future technologies out by its own hands. Moving on, we believe that cross-border payments and global partnerships will be crucial in the future. Crypto has for quite a long time been a mainstream route for transient laborers to send installments to their families in their nations of origin without managing extreme exchange charges. Due to its debate with the SEC, Ripple lost an accomplice in MoneyGram, a significant installment stage for travelers. It purchased a 40% stake in Malaysian Monetary Administration's firm Tranglo, which is awaiting endorsement from government regulators. Garlinghouse said that settlements are plainly an extremely high-rubbing and costly installment component, and we are joining forces with our clients to make it substantially more proficient. Moreover, Garlinghouse thinks NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are here to stay. He highlighted their many use cases, especially with regards to advanced collectibles. Coming back to the regulatory clarity, even now if the SEC starts from the first page and forms completely new rules and regulations for digital assets, it would be a great help for the future of cryptocurrencies. No doubt, the world is advancing rapidly and cryptocurrencies are the future. So there's no question of if, but when cryptocurrencies take over the entire monetary system, and of course we need regulatory clarity. Ripple has been attempting to ensure the monetary organizations get ahead of the blockchain innovation, which is certainly a plus point for any bank. Imagine this, Ripple offers quicker cross-country exchanges, private ledger, and most importantly, on-demand liquidity. In case if we were the head of any bank, we would have been the first to hop onto this train. That is really the best deal anyone might at any point get. Moreover, the bank's clients will appreciate the company for their quick exchanges and low charges, essentially putting any bank in front of its competitors. Who would want that? That is the reason, regardless of how the case between Ripple and the SEC is going, Ripple Network keeps on making meaningful partnerships with major players in the market. 3 different currencies are traded by XRP now all over the world. Other nations are stating that XRP is the future, but the US is the only one that is not recognizing this. In other G20 markets that include the UK, Switzerland, Japan, Singapore, and other parts of the Middle East, XRP is referred to as a currency and not a security. Brad says that it's better to get crypto regulations sooner than later. He is very optimistic for the future of XRP because of the ongoing scenario that is in favor of Ripple and XRP. Previously, he stated that the level of development they are going through despite the lawsuit is amazing. Not in the US but in other countries, surely the development is pleasing. According to the CEO, they are experiencing 10 times growth every year in other countries, and would soon be extending its boundaries globally. The rising growth for XRP is 40% every quarter, which is remarkable. This in turn raises the prices per token, creating a bull run for coins. Hence, if this continues, we can soon reach $100 per XRP coin. Coming back to the collision talk, Brad answered a few questions related to the lawsuit. The most interesting one was what's going to happen if the lawsuit does not end in favor of Ripple, to which his response was that the probability for that to happen is quite low since they now have the upper hand. The fact that 90% of their clients were non-US, which has recently increased to 95%, the majority of which lie in the South Asian countries. Japan is the biggest client and is now engaged in extending its remittance services with the help of XRP. It would be difficult for institutions to function swiftly now that XRP is so vast. Even after the lawsuit was filed, the company has signed more than 20 contracts with different financial institutions. Brad further said that Ripple's products like XRP Ledger is a mind-blowing innovation for the current needs. Such ledger success is very important to survive in a tech-driven market. They are also planning to launch other financial products on Ripple's platform, and this is their core plan for Ripple's dazzling future. Moreover, Schwartz offered an update on an upcoming development the company has been working on, that of federated sidechains. This allows for experimentation and specialization. The developers can enjoy the power of the XRPL on a side chain that acts as a blockchain and ultimately enables developers to implement new features while also giving them permission to maintain the previously existing lean and sufficient set of features. As revealed by the CTO, the federated side chains will be available in the upcoming months, opening up a host of exciting possibilities. As for the XRP price analysis, Ripple's price had a big run higher on Saturday with a 22% surge in price action. Buyers squeezed out short sellers that were caught in a bear trap. XRP was blocked around $1.10 from moving higher and formed a double top past Friday. Sellers attempted to enter in a short position to push the price back toward $1, but they failed in their attempt. Then $1.10 was taken out to the upside, with a smooth run higher toward $1.30. As long as the market's bullish market sentiments remain in place, we can expect the rally to continue. XRP is currently trading at $1.2323 with a market cap of $57.202 billion. The next level of interest is $1.50, which is just below the weekly or one resistance level. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about Brad's predictions. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.